This is Stephen, and this question is testing whether or not you know how to solve for combinations, which kind of is like with permutations, fundamental counter principle. The question reads, the 6-member debate team plans to send 3 of its members to a conference. How many combinations of the 3 members are possible from the 6-member team? Now you could probably create a series of fake people and count out the number of combinations, or you can just remember that the formula for finding combinations is NCR equals n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. Now this might seem pretty crazy, but it's just plugging in numbers and understanding what a factorial is. And let's cover that real quick. So if I have a factorial, 5 factorial, all that's saying is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you're taking the top number and multiplying all the way down in sequence with whole numbers. So 7 factorial, 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and so on. So n is equal to the number of choices that you have. So in this case, n is equal to 6, and then r is equal to the number of selections that you make. So you're choosing 3 members, so r is equal to 3. So let's get rid of this right here, so make some room. Okay, so writing this out as 6C3, that's just to help you remember which one are your n and which one is your r, is equal to 6 factorial over 3 factorial 6 minus 3 factorial. Okay, so let's just go ahead and simplify this part to 6 minus 3, which is 3. So we have 6 factorial over 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Okay, now if we write this out before doing any math, we have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. The nice thing is you can go ahead and just eliminate these, and you're left with 6 times 5 times 4 over 3 times 2 times 1. Now you can reduce this down even further by taking the 3 into the 6, and you're left with 2, and the 2 into the 4, and gives you 2. So 2 times 5 times 2, or 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20. So there are 20 total combinations of the 3 members that can be taken to this conference, or answer choice B.